Hello everyone, and welcome. Let's get right into it. Why do so many people feel like they're just spinning their wheels with money? You've seen the viral clips. Invest in this new crypto. Start an Airbnb business with $500. Day trade like a pro. These might be good tips in isolation, but they're not a plan. This random advice makes you a financial nomad, always reacting, never building. Today, we change that. We're going to stop chasing shadows and start building something real. I call it the wealth building pyramid. You can't put a beautiful penthouse on a mud puddle. You need a rock-solid foundation first. The pyramid is a systematic approach to building wealth. It works from the ground up: base, middle, top. The base is stability, the middle is efficiency, and the top, that's about scaling. Today, we're going to lay out a complete roadmap for 2026, showing you exactly how to go from zero to a $100,000 net worth. We begin at level 1, the foundation. If you don't build this right, the rest of your financial structure is just a house of cards. Your foundation is built from two key pieces: your emergency fund and your credit health. This is your sleep at night fund. In 2026, the global economy is dynamic. You need 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses kept in a separate high-yield savings account. Now, let's look at your credit. Think of your credit score as your financial reputation. In 2026, it's more important than ever. Keep your credit utilization low. If your limit is $5,000, never have more than $1,500 on it. Pay it off in full every month. Once your foundation is solid, we move to level 2, tax efficiency. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Let's break down two powerhouse tools, the HSA and the Roth IRA. HSA offers a rare triple tax benefit for medical expenses. With a Roth IRA, your money grows tax-free. When you withdraw in retirement, it's 100% tax-free. You're locking in your tax rate today. Level 3 is the income engine. This is where you start scaling. You are no longer just earning income. You are generating it. I'll show you a strategy for an extra $450 a month using high-yield savings, dividend ETFs, and a modest peer-to-peer lending portfolio. Put $6,000 into a dividend-focused ETF, like VIM or SCHD. These generate income from strong companies while you sleep. Level 4 is the compound effect. This is the difference between working for your money and having your money work for you. Reaching that first $100,000 is the hardest part. It's a grind. But once you hit it, your investments do more work than your contributions. In 2026, the biggest barrier is the urge to spend. Our culture is built to make you consume. This is a trap. Delaying gratification is choosing your future over your present. The people who win are those who have the greatest discipline. That is, the wealth-building pyramid. Stability, efficiency, scaling. It's your clear roadmap to $100,000 net worth. Thank you for watching. Build your pyramid, stay disciplined, and I will see you on the path to $100,000 and beyond.